Okay, so we got the new CNC. It engraves pretty well. That was an engraving tool. Does some signage, pretty good. Cuts out a little buffalo pretty good. A little bit work to do on the inlay. That's the male and female of the inlay. Machine went a little haywire on this one, but we got it fixed. It started to go off course, but we fixed that. And then it does a great job if you want to do signs and things like that. And then today we tried some 3D stuff. But as you can see in the upper left corner, the tool wasn't deep enough to reach the whole block, so I got some work on that. But all in all, fun machine, huge learning curve, and we'll keep you updated. Thanks.